In this video, we will take a look at the assignment operator and what we can do with it in Python. The assignment operator in Python are used to assign values to variables. It allows a programmer to perform different types of operations and store the results inside variables. The assignment operator is the equal symbol. It assigns the right-hand side values to the variables that is present on the left-hand side. By the way, in Python, the assignment operator, which is a single equal sign, which is used for assignment when you are assigning a value to a variable. There is also a double equal sign, so just wanted to point out the differences here. So there's the double equal operator, which we use as a relational operator for checking if two values are equal. So this is different. Now back to the assignment operator. We can also do an arithmetic operation and an assignment in a single operation. And this is also known as compound assignment operators, and we will have a look at this next. First, looking at the left, we have the descriptions of all the assignment operators, then the operator symbols themselves. So we can see in its simplest form, it's the equal sign at the top, and then we can see for the rest of them, it's some sort of arithmetic operation alongside the equal sign as well. Then we have some examples, so we can see some examples in the middle. For example, x equals 5, x plus equals 5, but what's the equivalent of these examples? So x equals 5 is actually x equals 5. But the next one down with the additional operator, x plus equals 5, is x equals plus 5. So that's the equivalent, and the result is 10. So we can see all the way down, we've got these different compound arithmetic operations. We can combine with the equal sign, the assignment operator. Let's have a quick look at some examples in PyCharm. So we are in PyCharm in the Python console, and what we can do from here is do an x equals 5, and then we can do an x plus 5, which should equal 10. But the other way of doing this is x plus equals 5. Enter. It doesn't show you the result, but we can do a print x, which would show us the result, and that's 10. Let's do x equals 2 instead, and then do x multiply equals 10, and let's print it, print x, and that's 20. So what we can see here is rather than writing x equals 5 and then x plus 5 and then print x, instead we can just write x plus equals 5 and then print x. Let's do one more. X star star equals 2, print x, and that's 400. And it's 400 because the last stored value of x is 20, so it's done 20 times 20. And that's a quick overview of the assignment operators.